Hello student, today we are going to start some multiple choice question MCQ on production technology under mechanical engineering module 7. Question number 1. Lathe bed is usually made of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Cast iron. Question number 2. Half nut is connected with. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Half nut is connected with thread cutting on lathe. Question number 3. The usual ratio of forward and return stroke in shaper machine is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. 3:2. Question number 4. Tumbler gears are the gears used in. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Used in lathe machine for reversing direction of rotation. Question number 5. In lathe, the carriage and tailstock are guided on. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Guided on different guide way. Question number 6. The unit of a lathe which houses the lathe spindle and control lever for speed selection is called A. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Headstock. Question number 7. In which of the following operation on lathe the spindle speed will be minimum? The spindle speed will be minimum. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Thread cutting. During thread cutting, spindle speed is minimum. Question number 8. Lathe centers, life center and dead center are provided with the following standard taper. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Morse taper. Question number 9. Bound and sharp taper type of taper is generally used in. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Milling machine. In milling machine, bound and sharp taper is used. Question number 10. Internal and external taper on a turret lathe can be turned by. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Taper turning attachment. Question number 11. Quick return mechanism is used in. There are 4 options. A. Milling machine, B. Boching machine, C. Grinding machine. D. Slaughter machine. Quick return machine is used in. Correct answer is D. Slaughter machine. Question number 12. Which of the following machine does not require quick return mechanism? There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. In washing machine, there is not required quick return mechanism. Question number 13. The size of a power circular saw is indicated by, is specified by the. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Blade diameter. Question number 14. No lubricant is required when cutting thread in. When cutting thread in, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Brass and cast iron. For thread cutting, no lubricant is used. Question number 15. Tool life is most affected by. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Cutting speed. Question number 16. For machining a casting, that means a job manufactured by casting on a lathe, it should be held in. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. 4-jaw chuck. Question number 17. The purpose of tumbler gear in lathe is to. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Tumbler gear in lathe is used to give desired direction of movement to the lathe carriage. Question number 18. The CLA value, center line average value, is used for measurement of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. CLA value is measured for surface roughness. Question number 19. Work job which cannot be chuck, which cannot be held in chuck because of its shape, because of its difficult shape, can be mounted on the following device for facing operation. Correct answer is C. Faceplate. Question number 20. A left hand tool on lathe cut most efficiently when tool travels. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Left hand tool on lathe cut most efficiently when tool movement from left to right end of lathe bed. Okay.